Do you want to know how you can change your email on Quizlet? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your email on Quizlet. Go ahead and open Quizlet.com on your Chrome or Edge browser and log into your account. Now tap on your profile and go to Settings. Scroll down and you can see the email info. Go ahead and tap edit and you must verify it with your Google, so click continue with Google and go ahead and sign in to your account which you have logged into with Quizlet. Now you must write your new email ID and then click save. This way your email address will be changed. So you can see that my email address has been changed now. So let me show it to you once again by changing it. Go to your profile, go to settings, scroll down and you can see the email address. Go ahead and press edit and write down the new email address and click save. This way your email address will be changed. I hope this video about how you can change your email address on Quizlet was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.